Can someone hack my Kraken account? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately. Kraken accounts. Specifically, I'm going to be discussing whether or not it's possible for someone to hack your Kraken account. I know that Kraken is a very popular cryptocurrency exchange, and I've seen a lot of people talking about how secure it is. But I've also seen some reports of Kraken accounts being hacked, and I wanted to do some research to see if there's any truth to these claims. So let's get started. What is Kraken? Before we can talk about whether or not Kraken accounts can be hacked, we need to understand what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Is Kraken secure? Kraken takes security very seriously. They use a number of security measures to protect their users' accounts, including two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and cold storage. Can Kraken accounts be hacked? Despite Kraken's security measures, there have been some reports of Kraken accounts being hacked. However, it's important to note that these reports are relatively rare. How can someone hack my Kraken account? There are a few ways that someone could potentially hack your Kraken account. One way is to use a phishing attack. This is where someone sends you an email or a text message that looks like it's from Kraken. The email or text message will ask you to click on a link or download a file. If you click on the link or download the file, you could be infected with malware that could give the attacker access to your Kraken account. Another way that someone could potentially hack your Kraken account is to use a brute force attack. This is where the attacker tries to guess your Kraken account password. Kraken has measures in place to prevent brute force attacks, but it's still possible for an attacker to successfully guess your password if it's weak. How can I protect my Kraken account from being hacked? There are a few things you can do to protect your Kraken account from being hacked. First, you should make sure that you're using a strong password for your Kraken account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and should contain a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Second, you should enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring you to enter a code in addition to your password. Third, you should be careful about clicking on links or downloading files from emails or text messages that look like they're from Kraken. If you're not sure whether or not an email or text message is from Kraken, you can contact Kraken customer support to verify. Overall, Kraken is a very secure cryptocurrency exchange. However, it's important to be aware of the risks of having a Kraken account and to take steps to protect your account from being hacked. By following the tips I've outlined in this video, you can help to keep your Kraken account safe and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.